In a world where collaboration is key, there's a tool that brings it all together. Welcome to this guide on how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that allows you to chat, meet, call, and collaborate with your team members and colleagues from anywhere. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the process of downloading, setting up, and using Microsoft Teams on your Android phone from the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and press Enter. Tap on the first result, which should be the official Microsoft Teams app. Tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap the Open button. If you already have an email account, you can sign in with it. If not, you can create a new account, then come back and sign in. Enter your email address and password and tap Next. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your email or phone. Now, let's explore the Microsoft Teams app. If you tap on the Activity or Notification tab, you will be able to access all the functions of Microsoft Teams. You can create a community, start a chat, make calls, and schedule a meeting. To start a chat, tap the Chat tab and then you will be navigated to start a group chat by naming your group. Search for a contact or enter their name, then type your message and tap Send. To schedule a meeting, tap the Calendar tab, then tap on the plus sign at the bottom right corner to start a new meeting. Fill in the details by adding your preferred date, time. You can also invite participants. Once done, tap on the tick sign at the top right side to save your details. You can also create a community from scratch or from the suggestion provided. Fill in the details by adding the name and description of the community, and you can invite new members by sharing an invite link. That's it. You've successfully downloaded, set up, and started using Microsoft Teams on your Android phone. You can now chat, meet, call, and collaborate with your team members wherever you are.